Fifine just sent me out their K688 mic, and I gotta say, I'm super stoked to try it out. I always get hyped about their products because they always pack in so many cool features and produce high quality audio for the price. As stated on the box, this is a dynamic microphone which can be paired up with an XLR input and an audio interface, or it can simply be powered via USB. This microphone also has a 3.5mm headphone jack for monitoring your audio, which is always nice to have. When unboxing this device, you will find a user's guide to assist you in the setup process, and it is very well set out. After removing the spongy protective layer, you will find the boom arm adapter, a USB-A to USB-C cable with a perfect length of 2.5 meters, and of course, we have the microphone itself. The microphone feels premium and it comes with a slick matte finish. The shock mount is nice and sturdy and it appears to be screwed on. At the bottom of the microphone there is an XLR input and two knobs with the right amount of resistance when adjusting. The first knob adjusts the input volume while the second adjusts the headphone volume. The USB-C input is also located here, and a 3.5mm headphone jack can be inserted right here. The shock mount feels like it is made of plastic, while the body of the microphone feels more premium with its matte metal finish. However, it is able to effectively resist rumbling noises, which is always nice. The grey removable foam cover on top of the mic holds a thick flocked filter designed to protect against plosives when talking to your audience, and I must say, I love how soft it feels. It's important to note that the microphone does not include a boom arm or tabletop stand, nor does it include an XLR cable, so you will need to purchase those additional accessories. This microphone has a very similar design to the Shure MV7, which looks really good. The Fifine logo is engraved on two opposite sides of the microphone. It also has a tap to mute button that blends in really well with the design of the microphone. However, I must note that it is very touch sensitive. This mic can be screwed onto a tabletop or boom arm stand using the provided adapter. Removing the pop filter reveals the microphone and capsule itself. I'm going to be testing the audio quality of this microphone using XLR with this audio interface right here by Focusrite. So let's go ahead and run a quick audio test and see how it performs. This is going to be a quick audio test using my XLR cable and Focusrite audio interface, and so far in terms of design, I really like this mic with its smooth matte finish. I feel like putting this mic in any desk setup would be great, but for me the audio quality is key. I'm currently trying to mimic a gaming streamer using my mechanical keyboard right now as I'm talking, so I'm hoping it doesn't pick up anything. Now I'm using my PlayStation 5 controller as I'm playing FIFA 23. And yes, I just scored a goal. Cool. Now I'm going to switch to USB connectivity and see how it performs. This is going to be a quick audio test using USB connectivity, and so far, in terms of design, I really like this mic with its smooth matte finish. I feel like putting this mic in any desk setup would be great, but for me the audio quality is key. I'm currently trying to mimic a gaming streamer using my mechanical keyboard right now as I'm talking, so I'm hoping it doesn't pick anything up. Now I'm using my PlayStation 5 controller as I'm playing FIFA 23, and yes, I just scored a goal. Do let me know in the comments below if you guys can hear a difference between the two. Actually, one thing I noticed is that in order to use the mute button and the audio headphone jack, your microphone must be plugged in via USB, as these features are not available via XLR connectivity. Also, make sure that you're not on mute when recording, as the button can be super sensitive. Now let's take it up a notch and compare it to my Shure MV7 and see how it performs against a more expensive microphone.
This is going to be a quick audio test on my Shure MV7 mic using my XLR cable and Focusrite audio interface. And so far, in terms of design, I really like this mic with its smooth matte finish. I feel like putting this mic in any desk setup would be great, but for me, the audio quality is key. I'm currently trying to mimic a streamer using my mechanical keyboard right now as I'm talking, so I'm hoping it doesn't pick anything up. Now I'm using my PlayStation 5 controller as I'm playing FIFA 23, and yes, I just scored a goal.
Quick disclaimer, all the audio samples recorded were unedited, and after listening carefully to each one of them, I must say, the sound produced by the FiFine microphone is really good, especially for its price of £88.99. Honestly, it has truly exceeded my expectations, especially after comparing it with my Shure MV7 mic. This microphone has a cardioid pattern which always focuses on your voice. The flatter frequency response shows that the K688 maintains excellent performance in all ranges, keeping the bass thick enough without compromising the warmth of the mids, while the highs are bright and crisp for recording vocal details. The functionality and audio coming from this microphone are truly some of the best I've reviewed from FiFine. However, I noticed that using it via XLR just sounded a little bit cleaner and more crisp. Of course, the difference is not very noticeable, but there's still that small difference. I did notice a little bit of background noise being picked up when using USB connectivity. However, the XLR was just super dead silent and did not pick up anything. While I was typing and talking, there was no sound being picked up, which is always nice. I even recorded the audio while using my PlayStation controller to mimic a gaming livestream, and you really cannot hear any background noise. If you're a streamer or content creator, then this microphone is the one you should go for. This is probably one of the best entry budget microphones you can buy if you're after good audio quality. However, a few things that I would recommend for you to do is buy a good XLR cable and a good boom arm so you can have the mic set at the right angle. I honestly have zero complaints about this microphone that I can think of, especially for its price. In my opinion, this mic can easily compete with my more expensive Shure MV7, and it did sound better at times too. I'll leave all the relevant links in the description below on all the products mentioned. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.